One of the first things we need to look at when we're doing equations is that the equal sign represents a relationship between the numbers on each side of the sign. So between these two. The answer is not 20. These two numbers are equal to each other. They are equivalent. When looking at equations, we should be thinking of equivalence and balance. For example, 5 plus 6 is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 1. So this side equals 11 and this side equals 11, so they are equivalent. Have a think. What are some other examples of what 5 plus 6 is equal to? Here are some of the answers you could have had. 5 plus 5 plus 1, 5 plus 4 plus 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. This is the same as when you're using scales. Let's have a look at this example and see how it matches equivalence. When there are 5 square blocks and 6 round blocks on one side of a scale, and 5 square blocks and 4 round blocks on the other side, what do I have to do to balance the scale? Easy. I just add 1 round block, or 2 round blocks to this side, and they are both equal. The same can be applied when finding the unknown of simple equations. This is asking us to balance the equation. We know 7 is our total. What can we put here to balance the equation? The equation remains balanced when we subtract 3 from this side and we do the same to the other side. So we subtract 3 from here. After doing that, we have 4 and 4, and the equation is balanced. So therefore, the box equals 4. This is called the balance strategy for finding the unknown. You as a student have to ask, what do we need to do to isolate, to get by itself, the unknown, while remembering to keep the equation balanced. So to keep the equation balanced. You can use this thinking to find the unknown for more complex equations, such as 2 times unknown plus 8 equals 30. The thinking for this equation is to balance it. How can we balance it? Well, first of all, we can remove the 8 by minusing it from this side and minusing it from this. This will leave us with 2 times unknown equals 22. To then get the unknown by itself, we want to balance this 2. So we divide and divide to leave us with the unknown equals 11. For this example, you need to remember 3 ideas. An equation remains balanced if we perform the same operation to each side. For this one, subtracting 8 is the inverse or the opposite of adding 8. Dividing by 2 is the inverse or opposite of multiplying by 2. These 3 ideas allow us to find the unknown in that example.